Okay, this is the unboxing and general setup of the Apple Time Capsule. It's a 1 GB version. Just got it delivered. So I'm just going to open up the outside packaging. Okay. There it is. That's better. There it is. Slides out. So I'm out from California, as per usual. And there it is. So it's quite heavy still. Comes with a power lead, obviously, and packet with all the CDs and all the other stuff in there. And yeah, that's it. Okay, sorry about this room being a complete pigsty. I haven't properly moved back in from coming back from uni yet, but this is my current old wireless router. It was just a random BT one which I had for a good 5 years now. But it's also my DSL modem. So what I'm going to do, pretty simply, got a network cable here, and I'm just going to plug one end into the Ethernet port on there, and the other one into the WAN port on the time capsule. So just give me a second. Okay. Right. As you can see, the time capsule is a bit bigger than I was expecting, but you can see it compared to the old router there. But I guess you can't really expect it to be too small for what it is. But yeah, see, I've just literally got them connected up. And I'm just going to leave that one there for now. I'll hide it away eventually, and I'll just plug it in. There we go. There's a tiny fan in there which made a little noise, and it's just going amber at the moment, which means it's setting up. It's next to no noise. And the light flashing amber now, instead of being a steady amber. Okay, and then on my iMac next door, this has just popped up automatically. It started the airport utility all by itself. I haven't put the CD in, I haven't even bothered with it. And then I'll just hit continue. And it's reading the configuration. Then I can name it that, I'll leave it that, makes sense. And then I'm going to put a password in. And I want to create a new wireless network. And yeah, you can call it that. Obviously giving it a password again. I need to think of the password. Okay, continue. Yep, I'm going to try and see, run it in the unbridged mode, see if that works. I'll put it into bridge mode, because then the router it's connected to, my old router. Do that. There we go. Yep. That's fine. It's going to save everything. I'm just going to restart the time capsule again. Okay, it's all worked. Sign back in again. Because I was using Time Machine with an external hard drive, I just have to change the disk. There we go. It just pops up. Use for backup. There we go, and then the password I created. And it's done. And now obviously it's going to do the one big backup. Yeah, and that seems to be it. Setup complete. Let's see, connect to the internet. There we go. Right, I've had the time capsule for about 3 months now, and I can safely say I've had no problems whatsoever with it. It's just sat there and worked after you set it up for the first time. That is just sat there and done its thing, really. It's a lot faster than my old router. I mean, mainly because, you know, the other router was only a wireless G one. This is wireless N. And the backups have worked fine. It just does it. It just backs up without having to care, which is always good. It works with all the Macs I've got. I've got a MacBook Pro that I got quite recently. That works fine, and that's backing up through Time Machine, so it's having multiple Time Machine backups going to it, and it's dealing with that, you know, absolutely fine. Also, we've had Windows PCs in the house, you know, laptops and stuff, and they work fine. They just show, you know, it just shows up as a normal wireless network. The only thing Apple says is if you've got a shared printer on there or something, you need to install Bonjour on the PCs to make it show up. But I think anybody who's got iTunes installed, I think that comes with it now. I've also got an external hard drive. I had this old Western Digital MyBook, and I've connected that via the USB port, and that shows up in the Finder windows absolutely fine. Haven't tried it on the Windows PC, so I don't know how they access an external drive connected, but I can assure you on Macs it works fine. It mounts as like an airport drive. Yeah, so, you know, seeing the prices have come down as well, so you can get the 2 terabyte one now, or the 1 terabyte for a cheaper price, I would highly recommend it. You know, if you want backing up wirelessly as well.